Welcome to our journey through the cosmic realms, where we delve into the enigmatic world of Venus. Join us as we uncover the secrets and symbolism of this celestial beauty. We will discover how diverse cultures throughout history associated Venus with goddesses who embody themes of love, beauty, and fertility, revealing intriguing parallels and unique interpretations of celestial phenomena. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, and it is often referred to as Earth's sister planet, due to its similar mass and size. The planet itself has no satellites. In our solar system, only Mercury and Venus are lonely travelers. It is believed that the surface contained water early in its history before a greenhouse effect evaporated any water and turned Venus into its present state. Thick clouds of gases trap heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury. The only successful landing on Venus was the Soviet Union's Venera 13 lander. It lasted about an hour on the surface and managed to send photos of the harsh environment before being crushed by high pressure and temperature. The surface appears to have been shaped by volcanic activity. Distinguishing it from smooth volcanic plains are two highland continents, named after mythological women. The northern continent is called Ishtar Terra, named after Ishtar, the Babylonian goddess of love. The southern continent, the larger of the two highland regions, is called Aphrodite Terra, named after the Greek goddess of love. Although love and romance might be associated with colors pink and red, the planet appears primarily white or yellowish-white when observed from Earth. This coloration is due to its thick cloud cover, which consists mainly of sulfuric acid droplets and other compounds. The sulfuric acid droplets in the clouds coalesce and form larger droplets, eventually falling as rain towards the surface. However, the extreme heat of Venus means that any raindrops evaporate long before reaching the ground. This very dense layer of atmosphere reflects about 70% of all sunlight reaching in, giving Venus its bright appearance. Venus is the second brightest natural object in the night sky after the Moon. The planet's peculiar backward rotation is also a riddle. Venus rotates in the opposite direction to Earth and most of the other planets in the solar system. This means that on Venus, the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. No wonder this planet became associated with goddesses and intertwined with myths across many civilizations. Venus, as a goddess, embodies feminine energy, symbolizing women, beauty, creativity, pleasures, refined arts, precious stones and metals, perfumes, harmony, luxury and flavorful foods. But its influence extends far beyond mere romance. She brings people together and provides opportunities. It is the only planet named after a female deity. Venus, both as the planet and as a goddess in various mythologies, and holds significant symbolism related to various aspects of life. In modern astrology, Venus governs over two zodiac signs, Taurus, an earth sign associated with strength, stability, and sensuality, and Libra, an air sign symbolizing balance and relationships. Its placement in the natal chart reveals how we give and receive love, what we find attractive, and what we seek in a partner. And let's not forget Venus retrograde, a time when we're called to reassess our relationships and reevaluate our priorities. It's a period of introspection and growth. The association of the planet Venus likely stems from the observations of its brightness and regularity in the night sky, which inspired awe and admiration among ancient civilizations. In the dusk or dawn, she can be seen as the brightest star in the sky. When visible in the eastern sky before sunrise, she is called the morning star. When visible in the western sky after sunset, she is called the evening star. Considered a nocturnal planet, she can bring even greater benefits to those born during the night. Nocturnal planets are more comfortable and powerful when they appear in charts where the sun is below the horizon or at night. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy the opportunities this planet brings if you were born during the day. It simply means her impact is stronger at night. Besides Venus, other planets considered nocturnal include the Moon, Mars, and sometimes Mercury. To the ancient Greeks, Aphrodite was revered as the goddess of love and beauty, emerging fully formed as a young woman from the sea foam. Unlike other gods, she had no infancy or childhood, but appeared as a mature deity. In Roman mythology, Venus was considered the ancestor of the Roman people through her son Aeneas, who survived the fall of Troy and fled to Italy. Venus was married to Vulcan, the god of the forge. Vulcan was unattractive and often unkind, and their marriage was loveless and childless. According to myth, their marriage was arranged by Jupiter, Zeus in Greek mythology. Vulcan, though not traditionally considered one of the most attractive or desirable gods, was respected for his skills as a blacksmith and craftsman. Jupiter arranged their marriage to ensure Venus's fidelity and to prevent conflicts among the gods. This beauty had a vast array of lovers and suitors, including the gods Mercury, Bacchus, and Mars. Mars, known also as Ares in Greek mythology, is the god of war. In Roman mythology, the love affair between Venus, goddess of love and beauty, and Mars, god of war, is a classic tale of passion and intrigue. Their relationship symbolizes the merging of love and conflict, two powerful forces that often coexist in human experience. One famous myth recounts their affair, which was exposed by the sun god Apollo, leading to a scandal among the gods. The mythological accounts depict Venus and Mars as having a passionate and tumultuous romance. Despite Mars being married to the goddess of agriculture, Bellona, he is irresistibly drawn to Venus's beauty and charm. Their clandestine meetings and secret trysts add an element of forbidden love to their relationship. Throughout art and literature, their love story has been depicted as a powerful metaphor for the unpredictable nature of romantic relationships, where attraction and passion can lead to both ecstasy and turmoil. Venus and Mars exemplify the eternal dance between love and war, reflecting the complexities of human emotions and desires. Venus and Mars are traditionally believed to have had several children together. The most commonly mentioned children include Cupid, known as Eros in Greek mythology, the god of love. Another child attributed to them is Harmonia, who in some versions of the myth is considered their daughter and is associated with harmony and concord. Mesopotamian goddess Ishtar was also known as Inanna in Sumerian culture. Inanna, literally Lady of Heaven, was a goddess of love, sex, war, and fertility. Inanna can be found in the Epic of Gilgamesh. She falls in love with beautiful Gilgamesh and offers to be his wife in exchange for wealth and fame. Since she destroyed all of her former lovers, Gilgamesh rejects her. Inanna could not stand the rejection. She gets furious and sends the bull of heaven to fight with Gilgamesh. Inanna is showing us the complexity of a female goddess embodying the polarities. She behaves savagely, erotic, and even animalistic. On the other half, she can be nurturing, she creates, she is a maternal figure and a lover. Throughout history, religions have often reflected different cultural norms and traditions. Some cultures have multiple archetypes similar to Venus. Freya and Frigg are the Norse equivalents of the Roman goddess. Freya's day was Freitaggas, which later became named Friday in the English language. Friday is a day dedicated to honoring the goddess known as Venus. Vendredi is the French version. The energy of love, creativity, pleasure, and abundance manifests through gods and goddesses in various cultures. Some cultures emphasize more masculine expressions. In Greek mythology, Eros, the son of Aphrodite, is known as the god of love, sometimes referred to as the demon of love. He shoots arrows of love and delivers love messages. In Roman mythology, Eros' counterpart is Cupid. The name Cupid translates to passionate desire, and he is the god associated with erotic love, attraction, and affection. Cupid is often depicted as a winged infant or youth armed with a bow and arrows, which he uses to inspire love and desire among mortals and gods alike. His mischievous interventions in love affairs are a common theme in mythology and art. As society evolves, so too does our understanding and acceptance of diverse expressions of sexuality and the roles individuals play. Venus continues to serve as a timeless symbol, reminding us of the enduring significance of love and beauty. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic adventure. Stay curious and keep discovering the mysteries of our universe.